FAT, IFAT, SAT, and ISAT are acronyms related to different testing phases in the commissioning process, especially in the context of industrial automation and control systems. Here's what each term stands for. 1. FAT, Factory Acceptance Testing. Definition. Factory acceptance testing is a process conducted at the manufacturer's facility, factory, before the equipment or system is shipped to the client. Objective. The primary goal is to verify that the equipment or system meets the design specifications and functional requirements as outlined in the contract or purchase order. Participants. Typically involves representatives from the client or end user, along with engineers or technicians from the manufacturer. Activities. Functional testing, performance testing, verification of documentation, and demonstration of system capabilities. Outcome. The client formally accepts the equipment or system for shipment to the installation site. 2. IFAT, Integrated Factory Acceptance Testing. Definition. Integrated Factory Acceptance Testing is an extension of FAT that specifically focuses on the integration of multiple systems or components. Objective. Ensures that various subsystems or components work together seamlessly as an integrated whole. Participants. Similar to FAT, with additional involvement from parties responsible for different subsystems. Activities. Emphasis on testing the interfaces and interactions between subsystems to verify integrated functionality. Outcome. A successful IFAT indicates that the integrated system is ready for shipment. 3. SAT, Site Acceptance Testing. Definition. Site acceptance testing is conducted at the installation site after the equipment or system has been delivered and installed. Objective. Ensures that the equipment or system functions correctly within the actual operating environment and under site-specific conditions. Participants. Involves representatives from the client or end user, along with engineers or technicians from the system integrator or supplier. Activities. Testing functionality, performance, safety features, and documentation verification. Outcome. A successful SAT indicates that the equipment or system is ready for commissioning and startup. 4. ISAT, Integrated Site Acceptance Testing. Definition. Integrated Site Acceptance Testing extends SAT and focuses on the integrated functionality of multiple systems at the installation site. Objective. Ensures that all integrated systems function correctly together in the actual operating environment. Participants. Representatives from the client or end user, along with engineers or technicians from different subsystems or system integrators. Activities. Testing interfaces, interactions, and overall integrated functionality at the site. Outcome. Successful ISAT indicates that the entire integrated system is ready for commissioning and full-scale operation. These testing phases are crucial in ensuring the successful implementation of complex systems, particularly in industries such as manufacturing, process control, and automation. Each phase serves a specific purpose in verifying the functionality, performance, and integration of the systems, leading to a smooth transition from manufacturing to installation and operation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. IIQA